Hello, this is Elaine Shauger. Come to sga.golf and learn how to do the down under from Dan Shauger. He's your master pro of the down under. He has Academy School, over 300 online course. That means when you purchase something, you can watch it on your phone at the driving range. We do have the PGA Pros golf. Order our books and DVDs because they do not know what down under means. Let's tell the whole world what it means. We're completely different from standard golf swing. Dan Shauger is going to teach you how to hit the golf off the right side of the hip without doing the roll over with your arms and hands, with left knee bent, right leg straight, heels up and down, back and forth. We do not keep our feet flat on the ground. Read my testimonials, what they're saying about Dan Shauger, up and down with the heels. I do not crook my back and knees. I'm a senior and I get more distance and accuracy from Dan.